house or insurance plan? Ooh!
It's a tough one, I know. I couldn't decide too.
I would choose both because both are needs. So, if I am starting my family and I'm not yet building a house, I would rather insure myself first so that if anything happens to me, my family goes on living. And when I'm protected sufficiently, then I get a house. But yeah, it's something to really think of, but I believe both are needs. But if I were to choose, I would choose first to protect myself.
Protect myself and then, yeah, correct naman.
Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful answer. That's the number one.
Thank you.
Thank you. Steps a day or going to the gym? Since kanina we're talking about, taking care of ourselves, especially, physically, emotionally, and mentally. What would you pick? 10,000 steps or going to the gym?
Very interesting question kasi ako, nag-gym din ako at the same time.
But that was...
Kaya naman. Nag-gym din ako, but at the same time, I am a triathlete. Yes, so if papipiliin mo ako dyan, I will choose 10,000 steps.
Okay.
Because 10,000 steps for a triathlete, parang ano lang yan. Parang mani-mani lang yan talaga. Yeah, so if given a choice, I will choose 10,000 steps or more.
How often do you work out?
4 times a week.
Damn.
In the gym.
Okay,
in the
gym.
But before pandemic, I used to run at least 10 kilometers twice to 3 times a week.
Wow, at least 10 kilometers.
That's before pandemic. Medyo nag-gain na ako today. But that's my goal for this year. I have to at least run 600 kilometers for the year.
And then, diba, there's something with working out na after that, you just feel very energized, very accomplished, diba?
Super.
For me, nare-relax ako every time I work out. After all the torture, after all the pain.
I know. The torture is really true.
Yeah.
But after you did everything, parang you can do everything na.
Correct. So, yun yung way mo pala to
Yes,
recharge from AIA. Good to know. Thank you.
Sorry na, pwede lang selfie. Last na to. Very, very quick lang.
One more! Ano ang ating sigaw? Sulong! Laban! Hanggang AIA! Thank you.
Today, thank you so much for your answers sa mga natanong ko kanina. And again, Happy New Year, everyone. This is my first event with AIA, and this is such a special partnership sa akin because like what I said earlier, my mom used to work here. So thank you everyone for all your hard work. It's just the beginning of 2025. But naniniwala ako sa inyong lahat with your dedication and hard work. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Magtutulungan tayong lahat para maging maganda ang 2025 natin. Thank you so much for having me again and Happy New Year to my AIA family.
Once again, let's give it up for our box office queen, Catherine Bernardo! One more time, give it up, Catherine Bernardo! Box office queen and ambassador! Thank you so much. Grabe. I love that she has grown into her own self, being a lady.
AIA. She, in Cabanatuan, I remember growing up, she would talk to her friends, tas nakikita ko siya na as a financial advisor. And then fast forward to 2024, it was the year na nag-join ako sa AIA, and I didn't expect that. It felt so surreal because my mom used to work here, and now I'm the brand ambassador of the brand. So thank you so much. Kaya lahat ko naman dito ngayon.
Her mom was one of you. Not so long ago.
Grabe, nakikita ko kung paano yung dedication. So, lahat po na nandito ngayon, you have my respect because my mom used to work for AIA. Ang galing-galing. So, thank you for all your hard work. So, yun, when it comes to that, aside from, of course, investments with properties, saving money, very important din, syempre, yung security. So, we have, of course, life insurance. for my family, just in case, para kung ano man mangyari, alam ko na secured and protected yung family ko. So, you know, I think it's good to educate people, especially the young ones. Like me, I'm turning in my 30s this year. Yeah, so I think it's good na we're very open to learning when it comes to, of course, handling my finances. I know I have a lot to learn, but I'm just lucky because I have my mom with me na ginaguide ako and very patient with me na ituro kung paano ba. And of course, AIA is here para rin extra kampante ako na secured yung family ko in the future. So yes, parang ganun lang, baby steps, and I'm enjoying every bit of it so far.
So, ayan po, another role that we all play, right? And Belita was saying kanina, we have to be open to learning new things because, as Kat said, part of the role is education. We're also here to teach people about what they need to do and guide them through their financial journey. Last question for you. Siyempre, health, the first thing we think about is physical health.
Yes, correct.
So, you have a hectic schedule, you have a hectic job. How do you stay healthy? How do you stay fit?
Physically muna. Physically, hindi naman ako magsisinungaling. I love to eat so much. I am such a foodie. So when it comes to taking care of my body, especially physically, I just really make time for workouts. And then, like now, after this, nag-schedule ako ng workout ko. You have to find the right hobby or sport for you because it's not just for, parang hindi lang siya aesthetically pleasing. It's like an investment sa body natin physically. But more than that, mentally and emotionally, yun yung dapat focus nating lahat. And siguro yun yung habit na build ko over the years na aside from the work-life balance, I make time for things that matter. So I said this in my previous interview, and when I say that, it means parang yung sinabi ko kanina, taking a pause and parang spend time with the people na nag-recharge sa'yo or people who fuel you to be better, people na will inspire you to be more, and there's nothing wrong with that. So, kailangan mo lang malaman ano yung importante sa akin. And at the end of the day, aside from me being an actor, spend time with the people na nag-recharge sa'yo or people who fuel you to be better, people na will inspire you to be more, and there's nothing wrong with that. So, kailangan mo lang malaman ano yung importante sa akin. And at the end of the day, aside from me being an actress, I always remind myself na I'm still human. So, who is Kath outside the work? Who is Kath beyond the camera? And who is Kath